Good morning. What I'm going to do today is show you how when you get your new RF microphones, how to go in and adjust the sound if you're having some issues with either static noise because they're too sensitive or the students can't hear you. Basically, what you'll do is you're going to come down to the sound icon. You're going to right click and go Open Sound Settings. Of course, you want to make sure you have the correct mic. In this case, on mine, it would actually be the high definition audio device. Each one of you may be a little different based on the computer, but I have to leave it on my USB or you won't be able to hear me. So the second thing you want to do is you'll actually come to the sound control panel settings and you want to go to your recording devices. Here is where you would see that microphone. Like I said, again, I'm using the USB, but you would come into this setting right here. You're going to go into properties, and when you go to levels, what it may be is when it starts out, microphone boost may be way up here, and this may be all the way up, and it's going to cause tons of interference and sound. You're going to pick up a lot of stuff you don't want to. So typically what I found is on these mics, you want to go all the way down with the mic boost and maybe set this somewhere between 50 and maybe 70 depending on your sound card and everything else in the computer. And then from there you can kind of test. Also on the devices they have an up and down volume, so if you have this set around 63 and then go up on the volume on the mic, that typically is going to be pretty good. But you can grab a Chromebook and have somebody go in another room and test it just to make sure everything sounds good. But I just wanted to show you how to get into these settings. This is how you tweak it. Also, if this is what you're going to be using instead of like the microphone on your webcam or something, you actually will have to come in and set it as the default device and default communication device. That way it picks it up in your apps if that's what you're going to want to use. But this way you can bounce between your webcam, the mic on your computer, or this wireless mic. Anyway, enjoy. Have a great day.